If someone is hoping to do a level 7, so your ordinary bachelor's degree, but outside of our traditional CAO system, so perhaps they're a mature student returning to study, they have to first get 120 credits at a level 6 program. The higher certificate in science and good manufacturing practice and technology allows students to get those 120 credits over 2 years. It is a part-time online course with a foundation in sort of general sciences. So you have maths, physics, biology, chemistry, information technology. In year 2, students will also complete a 30 credit project module across the 2 semesters. This can take place in the student's workplace, or it can be a desk-based study. This is completed with the help of an academic supervisor, and while initially daunting for some students, ends up being one of the more rewarding aspects of the program because it allows students to apply the information they've learned from other modules, and it allows them to learn skills like academic writing, presentation, data collection and project planning. So it really sets students up to succeed if they go on to further study, and it's a great opportunity for a discussion piece in interviews as well. Lectures in this program typically take place maybe 2 or 3 evenings a week, after 6 before 10, but all lectures are recorded so students can watch back those lectures whenever is convenient to them if they can't attend live. In addition, students will have to attend a few days of final examinations at the end of each semester. Students attend 1 day each semester in year 2 at lab practical sessions. The entry requirements for this program are a leaving certificate or an international equivalent. However, if a prospective student doesn't have a leaving certificate but they've been working in a relevant field, so a science-based industry, for several years, and they can demonstrate or give evidence to that experience, then those applicants are usually considered for entry as well. This program has been developed in conjunction with NIBRT, the National Institute for Bioprocessing Research and Education in Dublin, and it's delivered in partnership with them. So all lab work that takes place in year 2 of the program takes place in their state-of-the-art facilities in Dublin. This is an ideal course for individuals hoping to make a career change or get in the door in a science-based industry, particularly within the biopharmaceutical or pharmaceutical sector, but it's also suited to individuals already working in those industries. So process operators, technicians, production team members that are hoping to increase their qualification. Maybe they want to go on and get their level 7 and 8 degrees to move up the company and gain promotion. Because this is an online program, it's part-time, it's highly flexible for people that are working alongside their studies, and mature students returning to study, and people balancing their life and family commitments as well.